the store.
Hey, how may I help you in the car shop?
Can I please see the whipped cream machine?
Okay, it's over there. Don't mess up with it.
Okay then. It's so good. Sounds smooth with putting your head in it. I think the water's coming down. Uh-oh.
Okay, girl, it looks like we messed up the whole thing. The whipped cream machine is going to be damaged and will be exploded and overflowed. In 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh. Gotta run. Phew. I thought I was gonna be doomed. Huh? What happened to the building? Ah! Help! Me! I have to tell the village about this. Yo. Ma. Oh, come on, let's go play hide and seek. Okay.
Attention, everyone! There's an overflow going on.
Everybody, the flood is coming.
Somebody say flood.
Look out. Why is it black?
I don't know. Maybe it is poisonous. Maybe it just touched the tar. Uh-oh. Whipped cream tar incoming. It's coming to all of the houses. Then there's spiders in the houses. Yeah. Faster than you can. I'm trying my best. It's getting bigger. Go faster. No, it's coming even more.